In this problem, you have to find the value of x which satisfies this exponential equation 2 to power x plus 3 equals to 3 to power x plus 2. To solve this equation, we will simplify it by using exponential rule, which is a to power m plus n equals to a to power m multiply a to power n. So the equation becomes 2 to power x multiply 2 to power 3 equals to 3 to power x multiply 3 to power 2. Now divide both sides by 2 to power x. 2 to power x, 2 to power x. This will cancel to 1. So the equation becomes 2 to power 3 equals to 3 to power x multiply 3 to power 2 divided by 2 to power x. This equation can be written as 3 to power x divided by 2 to power x equals to 2 to power 3 divided by 3 to power 2. This equation can further simplify too by using exponential rule, that is a to power m divided by b to power m equals to a upon b to power m. So the equation becomes 3 by 2 power x equals to 2 to power 3 divided by 3 to power 2. Now take log on both sides. So log 3 to power 2 power x equals to log 2 to power 3 divided by 3 to power 2. As we know that log 8 to power b equals to b log a. Use this rule here, then equation becomes x log 3 divided by 2 equals to log 2 to power 3 divided by 3 to power 2. X comes log 2 to power 3 divided by 3 to power 2 whole divided by log 3 by 2. As we know that log a upon b is log a minus log b. Use this rule here, so the equation becomes log 2 to power 3 minus log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 minus log 2 equals to 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3 divided by log 3 minus log 2. So now x has been simplified to 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3 divided by log 3 minus log 2. As we know that log 2 equals to 0.301 and log 3 equals to 0.477. Using here, so it becomes 3 multiply log 2 is 0.301 minus 2 multiply 0.477 divided by 0.477 minus 0.301 is equal to 0.903 minus 0.954 divided by 0.176, which is further equals to minus 0.051 divided by 0.176, which is equals to minus 0.289. So final value for x comes 0.289. So x is equals to minus 0.289 is the value which satisfies this exponential equation.